San Francisco International Airport to Dallas Fort Worth International Airport for our connecting flight to Lima, Peru. We have now arrived in George Chavez International Airport in Lima, Peru, and our tour company is waiting for us outside. We decided to walk to the nearest shopping center called Larcomar. So we decided to eat in popular restaurant. We ordered a cold cuts platter that consists of their fresh catch of the day. So we're now here in Fatima. This ruin is located around 40 kilometers outside of Lima. Couldn't really understand what our tour guide was saying, but here's a mini tour of what you can see inside. Our first day in Cusco, and the altitude is not going well for us. I'm having this neck pain and nausea. I recommend if you go here, maybe take some Diamox. It is like a medicine for altitude sickness, or drink cocoa tea because today I think we'll be going to a cocoa bean plant, I think, to make chocolates. I'll keep you updated. Bye!
Importante de los incas, van a ver cómo fue Sacsayhuamán, cómo fue Quinco, el mismo Ollantaytambo, tanto lo que es Pisa o Chinchero. Ese libro también, fuera de eso, también tiene algunas construcciones que tiene.
We're now here in the Xoxo Museum, and she's teaching us how to ferment the beans, and these beans will be our babies.
Take one. Take one. Okay? Take one. This step you need to recognize your babies. Okay? Don't forget your babies. Very funny.
So here is some alpaca suri. Yeah, hello. Yeah. So on the way down, we visited an alpaca breeding ground, and we were able to give them food and also take some pictures. So now we're in Pisac, and it's like the secret valley, I think. But here it is. This difficulty in breathing. That's why I need to breathe a lot of air to have more oxygen circulating in my body. So yeah. So okay, I made it to the top. Not to the top, but good enough, I guess. So yeah, I would probably just go back now. Yeah, and then I think that's just it. I don't have the energy to go up there and then down and go back there. Lol. Okay.
Because mostly the local people can't eat anything.
Is where they grow guinea pigs,
There to the left side, can you see some
which
from the
is
stick as well?
a traditional Peruvian food. So yeah, let's see if we can find some. So here we have Ollantaytambo, a small city, and we're gonna go up to the Temple of the Sun. So it's like the terraces. So this is the Temple of the Sun, where I prayed, somewhat with the Incas. I'm not sure, but yeah. Here is the site where I climbed up, and I'm not sure if I will be climbing up to the top, which is here. Yeah. So let's see. Okay, so update. I reached Temple of the Sun here in Temple of the Sun. So I climbed like 250 steps, and I finally reached it. I think this is it. I'm not sure because our tour guide left us because we were going so slow. So yeah. So we arrived in Machu Picchu from Ollantaytambo. We were in the train, and it took us an hour and a half from Ollantaytambo. So now we'll be in Machu Picchu tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow in Machu Picchu.